Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to design Audi Rs6 in car parking multiplayer full guide. Start by outlining your design goals, mood, and performance targets, then gather reference images and color codes. Next, set a budget for upgrades and cosmetic parts, and choose wheel and suspension setups that match your vision. Finally, schedule short test sessions to refine fitment, decals, and camera angles to ensure polished results. Warm up with exterior choices that sell the design at first glance. Pick a base color, matching accents, and contrast tones that pop on camera. Choose wheel size and offset to achieve the right stance, and set tire width for visual balance and grip. Apply subtle aero parts or trim to sharpen lines, then step back and photograph the car from multiple angles to confirm the look before moving to interiors. Focus on tuning that supports the visual story without compromising drivability. Adjust suspension height, spring rate, and damping for realistic posture and corner behavior. Calibrate engine and transmission settings to achieve desired acceleration and throttle feel, and tweak differential settings for stability through turns. Run controlled laps to check braking balance, steering response, and tire wear, making
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.